सकल्यान गुणार्णवश वन्दे गुरश्री चरणारविन्दम्।
I again offer my respectful obeisances unto the form of complete existence and transcendence, who is the liberator of the pious devotees from all distresses, and the destroyer of the further advances in atheistic temperament of the non-devotee demons. For the transcendentalists who are situated in the topmost spiritual perfection, he grants their specific destinations. Lord Sri Krishna is the complete form of all existence, both material and spiritual. Akila means complete, or that which is not kila, inferior. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita, there are two kinds of nature, prakriti, namely the material nature and the spiritual nature, or the external and internal potencies of the Lord. The material nature is called apara, or inferior, and the spiritual nature is called superior or transcendental. Therefore the form of the Lord is not of the inferior, material nature. He is complete transcendence, and he is murti, or having transcendental form. The less intelligent men who are unaware of his transcendental form describe him as impersonal Brahm, but Brahm is simply the rays of his transcendental body. The devotees, who are aware of his transcendental form, render him service. Therefore the Lord also reciprocates by his causeless mercy, and thus delivers his devotees from all distresses. The pious men who follow the rulings of the Vedas are also dear to him, and therefore the pious men of this world are also protected by him. The impious and the non-devotees are against the principles of the Vedas, and so such persons are always hampered from making advances in their nefarious activities. Some of them, who are specially favored by the Lord, are killed by him personally, as in the cases of Ravan, Hiranyakashipu and Kamsa, and thus such demons get salvation, and are thereby checked from further progress in their demoniac activities. Just like a kind father, either in his favor upon the devotees or his punishment of the demons, he is ever kind to everyone, because he is the complete existence for all individual existence. The Paramamsa stage of existence is the highest perfectional stage of spiritual values. According to Srimati Kunti Devi, the Lord is factually understood by the Paramhamsas only. As there is gradual realization of the transcendence from impersonal Brahm to localized Paramatma to the personality of Godhead, Purushottam, Lord Krishna, similarly there is gradual promotion of one's situation in the spiritual life of sannyasa. Kudichaka, Bahudaka, Parivrajgacharya, and Paramamsa are gradual progressive stages in the renounced order of life. Sannyasa and Queen Kunti Devi, the mother of the Pandavas, has spoken about them in her prayers for Lord Krishna. Canto 1, Chapter 8. The Paramhamsas are generally found among both the impersonalists and the devotees, but according to Srimad Bhagwatam, as clearly stated by Kunti Devi, pure bhakti yoga is understood by the Paramhamsas, and Kunti Devi has especially mentioned that the Lord descends especially to award bhakti yoga to the Paramhamsas. So ultimately the Paramhamsas, in the true sense of the term, are unalloyed devotees of the Lord. Srila Jiva Goswami has directly accepted that the highest destination is bhakti yoga, by which one accepts the transcendental loving service of the Lord. Those who accept the path of bhakti yoga are the factual paramsas. Since the Lord is very kind to everyone, the impersonalists, who accept bhakti as the means of merging in the existence of the Lord in his impersonal Brahm Jyoti, are also awarded their desired destination. He has assured everyone in the Bhagavad Gita, Ye yathamam prapadyante. According to Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti, there are two classes of Paramhamsas, namely the Brahmanandis, impersonalists, and the Premanandis, devotees, and both are awarded their desired destinations, although the Premanandis are more fortunate than the Brahmanandis. But both the Brahmanandis and the Premanandis are transcendentalists, and they have nothing to do with the inferior material nature full of the existential miseries of life.